This project, in collaboration with the insurance company Saisie, focuses on the development of a real-time flood alert system. The primary objective in this project is to establish an effective mechanism for preventing damages related to floods. To achieve it, we provide timely and accurate alerts to Saisie clients regarding imminent or ongoing flood threats to their infrastructures.
The first part of this project involves real-time analysis and processing through a Python algorithm using data from the application programming interface, an API, made available by the British government.
The other part of the project involves creating a website using Streamlit. We have designed interactive pages where the results are presented in a clear and accessible manner. This allows users to visualize data in the form of graph, table, or maps, providing a comprehensive overview of the situation in a chosen area.
Our system utilizes advanced Python algorithms, processing real-time data from the British government's APIs. It's not just about reacting to floods, it's about proactive, timely alerts. This initiative empowers Saisie's clients to take swift action, reducing the impact of floods on their infrastructure. The website, powered by Streamlit, provides intuitive data visualizations for quick, informed decision-making.
Our partnership with Saisie highlights the importance of data reuse as it advances innovative risk management solutions. In a sense, this project isn't just about alerts, but it's an investment in the safety and sustainability of our clients' assets.